If 322 grams of water at 60.3 degrees Celsius loses 8,790 joules of heat, what is the final temperature of the water? Liquid water has a specific heat of 4.184 joules per gram degree Celsius. So to answer this problem, we will be using the formula or the equation Q is equal to mc delta T. So we know that Q stands for the heat, M stands for the mass, C stands for the specific heat capacity, and delta T stands for the change in temperature. So in the problem, it says here that it loses 8,790 joules. So remember, when heat is lost, heat is negative. The sign is negative. So Q is negative 8,790 joules. That's equal to the mass. In the problem, we are given the mass 322 grams times the specific heat capacity is also given 4.184 joules per gram degree Celsius, and then delta T. So to solve for delta T, we will divide both sides of the equation by 322 grams times 4.184 joules over gram degree Celsius. So 322 will cancel on the right side as well as 4.184. So what's left on the right side is just delta T. Now on the left side, you can solve this using your calculator. That's negative 8,790 divided by 322 multiplied to 4.184. Here you will get that the answer is approximately negative 6.52. So the joules will cancel, the grams will cancel, so the remaining unit is degree Celsius. So delta T is negative 6.52 degrees Celsius. So this is the change in temperature. But this is not yet the final answer, because if you read the problem, it says here, what is the final temperature? So it doesn't ask for the change in temperature, it's asking for the final temperature. And we know that delta T is equal to the final temperature, or T final, minus the initial temperature, or T initial. So we already know what delta T is. That's negative 6.52 degrees Celsius. We don't know the final temperature. Minus the initial temperature is actually given in the problem. That is 60.3 degrees Celsius. So if you want to solve for the final temperature, all you need to do is you transfer minus 60.3 to the other side, and it becomes positive. So negative 6.52 degrees Celsius plus 60.3 degrees Celsius, that is your final temperature. And if you solve this using your calculator, negative 6.52 plus 60.3, the answer is 53.78 degrees Celsius. And this is the answer to the question.